we took a plane to Coron Palawan. Honestly, I was really excited about this trip. But since it's July, the rainy season, I was a bit nervous about the weather. As you can see, we landed in a rainy Coron and we're really hoping for a better weather in the days ahead. We booked the underwater garden hotel in Coron. It looked pretty interesting in the photos, but there are some things to keep in mind. You're tied to the water taxi schedule, so it's hard to stay late in town. Also, the hotel is a bit on the older side. So if I were to do this again, I would recommend booking a hotel closer to the town center for more convenience. Since it was my birthday the next day, I planned a private boat tour so we could really enjoy ourselves. Funny thing, our guide doubled as a videographer and even the human drone. Our first stop was Barracuda Lake. At first the kids were a little scared to swim. I mean, you never know what's lurking beneath the water. But eventually they relaxed, got comfortable and had a great time. Barracuda Lake is one of Coron's most famous and unique spots, known for its stunning crystal clear waters and dramatic underwater rock formations. It's a freshwater lake located on Coron Island, surrounded by towering limestones, cliffs that create an almost otherworldly atmosphere. Wow! You're eating rice, eh? Fish eat rice.
Rice again? One more.
Our next stop was CYC Beach, short for Coron Youth Club Beach, one of the public beaches here where you don't pay an entrance fee. It's known for its white sand, clear shallow waters, and little patches of mangroves. When we arrived, it was high tide, so the beach area looked smaller, but the water was perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The kids loved splashing around and we spotted some fish near the mangroves.
Hey, niets vetter. Even ze zien voor me.
Lunchtime, and the men really outdid themselves, putting together a feast that could have fed an army. It felt extra special enjoying it here, knowing it was my birthday.
Whoa. Drone shot.
After we'd eaten, it was time for one of the highlights of the day, kayaking to the twin lagoons. This place is pure magic. Two crystal clear lagoons separated by towering limestone cliffs. Paddling here was surreal. The cliffs rose high above us, draped in green, and the water shifted between shades of turquoise and emerald. Just like at Barracuda Lake, You could feel that sudden temperature change where fresh and salt water meet. It was peaceful, wild, and unforgettable.
Shane, kijk naar mama. Wauw, Shane.
Water?
Wow. Maar je moet het wel vasthouden, hè, want ik wil niet weggaan.
Nee.
Ik heb alleen blaadjes gevonden. Laat maar.
After lunch, as we headed to our next stop, the sky suddenly turned dark. And before we knew it, we were caught in a heavy storm. The wind picked up, the waves grew higher, and the rain stung like the tiny needles on our skin. It was both adventurous and a little scary. At one point, I could see the worry in everyone's eyes. And then we spotted a smaller boat that had actually capsized. That's when we realized just how rough the water had become. So we prayed together as a family. And just a couple of minutes later, the storm began to ease. The waves calmed, the rain softened, and soon we were able to continue our tour. Day 2. We hopped on a tricycle and headed to Maquinit Hot Springs. The ride itself was an adventure, a bumpy road twisting through lush scenery, with every turn making us laugh and hold on a little tighter. Maquinit is one of the few natural saltwater hot springs in the world. The water stays at a soothing 38 to 40 degrees, surrounded by mangroves and views of the sea. It's a perfect place to relax your muscles after days of island hopping, especially in the evening when the air is cooler and the stars start to appear. Day 3. We decided to go for a mixed guided tour. Honestly, it was one of the best decisions of the trip. It's always fun to meet fellow travelers from all over and share some laughs between stops. The weather was kind to us at last. Blue skies, gentle breezes, and warm sunshine. It made everything feel extra magical. We visited Cocoa Beach, a serene slice of paradise with powdery white sand and peaceful vibes. Between the charming swings under palm trees and the inviting shallow waters, it was the perfect midday chilli spot.
Hindi nagpakilala, di ko kilala.
Okay, and then I give you a big.
Then came the real highlight, a stunning sandbar that stretched like a ribbon over crystal clear water, arguably one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. Walking out onto it felt almost surreal, like a dream made of water and sand.
Look what you have. What is that?
Wildvarken.
Wow.
Deze schappen allemaal. Hoeveel? Mama, je moet hier net
Day 4. Swing with me as we take in the views from Mount Tapyas. All 700 steps to the top. Mount Tapyas is the second highest peak in Coron, standing about 210 meters tall. It's one of the best spots to catch a panoramic view of the town, nearby islands, and the sunset. The climb can be very sweaty, but trust me, the view is worth every step.
Heb ik daar foto's van mij? Ja.
Day 5. We were stuck at our hotel because of the storm, so it turned into a much needed relaxing day, just what we needed to recharge. The next day, we caught our flight to Iloilo, ready for the next adventure. See you again, Coron. Bye bye.